If you've been feeling unfocused, overwhelmed, or emotionally drained, there's a simple practice that can change your brain, your mood, and your body, and it only takes a few minutes. Most people think meditation is just sitting still, but the truth is that meditation creates real, measurable changes in your nervous system, your hormones, your emotional resilience, and even your physical health. And here's the part most people don't know. You don't need long sessions. You don't need perfect technique. You don't need experience. You just need a few minutes, done consistently. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. Today, I'm breaking down the physical, mental, and emotional benefits of meditation, the most common types, and exactly how to practice each one so you can start feeling calmer, clearer, and more grounded today. Meditation doesn't just relax you, it changes your physiology. Here are some of the physical benefits. Reduced stress hormones. Meditation lowers cortisol and adrenaline, shifting your body from fight or flight into rest and repair. Improved heart health. Meditation supports lower blood pressure, better circulation, and reduced cardiovascular strain. Enhanced immune function. By reducing chronic inflammation, meditation strengthens your immune response. Better sleep quality. Meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And pain reduction. Mindfulness changes how the brain interprets pain signals, reducing discomfort. Meditation doesn't just calm your mind, it rewires it. Here are the mental benefits. Improved focus and attention. Meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex, boosting decision-making and concentration. Better emotional regulation. It reduces activity in the amygdala, your brain's fear center, helping you respond instead of react. Enhanced cognitive performance. Meditation improves working memory, creativity, and problem-solving. And reduced anxiety and overthinking. By observing thoughts instead of getting pulled into them, meditation reduces mental clutter. Meditation strengthens emotional resilience, the ability to stay grounded even when life feels overwhelming. Here are the other emotional benefits. Increased self-awareness. You learn your patterns, triggers, and emotional habits. Greater compassion and empathy. Loving kindness practices increase warmth and connection. Improved mood and stability. Meditation boosts serotonin and dopamine, supporting long-term emotional well-being. And reduced feelings of isolation. Meditation creates a sense of connection to yourself and to others. Meditation isn't one thing, it's a collection of practices. Here are the most accessible and effective types and exactly how to do them. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Observe your thoughts, sensations, and emotions without judgment. How to do it. Sit comfortably. Focus on your breath. Notice thoughts as they arise. Scan your body for sensations. Perceive any emotions. Then gently return to the breath. 2. Breathwork meditation. Breathwork uses intentional breathing patterns to shift your nervous system. How to do it. Try 4-6 breathing. Inhale for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 6. Box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale 4, hold 7, exhale 8. 3. Body scan meditation. This practice builds awareness and reduces tension by scanning the body from head to toe. How to do it. Lie down or sit comfortably. Bring awareness to each part of your body, starting at your head and then progressing downward through each major body part until you reach your toes. Release tension as you go. 4. Loving kindness meditation, metta. This practice cultivates compassion and emotional warmth. How to do it. Repeat phrases like, "May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be at peace." Then extend these wishes to others. 5. Guided meditation. A teacher or audio guide leads you through a practice. How to do it. Use apps, videos, or audio recordings to follow along. 6. Movement meditation. Meditation doesn't have to be still. Practices like yoga, tai chi, and mindful walking combine movement with awareness. How to do it? Move slowly and intentionally. Focus on breath and sensation. My final thought. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools for improving physical health, mental clarity, and emotional resilience. You don't need long sessions. You don't need perfect technique, you just need consistency. Start with 1 minute, then 2, then 5. Over time, meditation becomes not just a practice, but a way of living, calmer, clearer, more grounded, and more connected. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my latest book, Stronger by the Day Nutrition, the ultimate guide to diet types, foods, and recipes for energy, fat loss, strength, longevity, disease prevention, brain health, and more. Along with all the other books in the Stronger by the Day Empowerment Collection, all available on Amazon and my website. And visit my website for other free resources to help get you started on your wellness journey. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.